Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So let's start. Yesterday we have done exercise 1.3. Now we are in the last exercise. Let's start our exercise. That exercise is quite small and easy also, and very interesting also. See now, decimal expansion of rational numbers. Decimal expansion of rational numbers can be divided into two types: terminating or non-terminating, repeating or recurring. When you have to tell that decimal expansion, they will give you one rational number and you have to tell them that it is terminating or not. Okay, they will give you the rational numbers and you have to tell them that they are terminating or non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimals. Rational number, you all know that, we know it very well, that rational numbers are always coming in the form of P upon Q. So they will ask to you without any division, you have to tell them that they are terminating or non-terminating. Okay. If the factorization of Q will come in the, if we will factorize the denominator, the Q, and the factors of Q will come in the form of 2 to the power n and 5 to the power n, then it will be terminating. Terminating means whose divide can be ended. Suppose we will divide 1 by 5, so it will end 0.2, we will get it. So it means it is terminating. Terminating means whose answer you will get after 2, 3 places, 4, 5 places of decimal, you will get the exact answer. And non-terminating, when you will divide them, so you will not get any exact answer. The decimal expansion of that division will not end. And in terminating, it will end soon. But in non-terminating, the division of any number, it will come in decimal expansion and it will not come in the end. So non-terminating or repeating, recurring, factorization of Q will not come in the form of 2 to the power n or 5 to the power n. Factorization means factors of Q will not come in the form of 2 to the power n or 5 to the power n. So what we will do, see, let's see some examples. 5 to the power 7, 5 upon 7. If you will see, 7 is not in 2 or 5, so it is non-terminating. And if you will divide it, see, 0.5, if you will divide 7 by 5, what you will get? 7 point, you will take out like that. I am doing here, see now. We are dividing 5 by 7. Point, first decimal will come. We will write 0. 7 7 ja 49. Then 1 will remain. Again we will write 1 0. 7 1 ja 7. 3 will come. We will write 0 again. 7 4 ja 28. Now 2 is coming. Again we will write 0. 7 2 ja 14. Now 6 is coming. Again we will write 0. 7 8 ja 56. 7 8 ja, wait, 7 8 ja 56 is coming. Then what will remain? 4. Then again you will write 7 5 ja 35. Again 5 will come. See, again 5 is here. Then again the same procedure. So it will not end. So they will come in the category of non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal expansion. Whose decimal expansion will not end, they will come in the category of non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal expansion. Look at here. 75 upon 256. If we will factorize Q, means denominator, so it will come in the form of 2 to the power 8. If you will speak now, ma'am, 5 is not here. So what you will do, you can write 5 to the power 0. Now it is coming in the form of 2 and 5. So yes, it is a terminating decimal expansion. Look at the exercise now. Look at the exercise. Exercise 1.4. without actually performing the long division. Without division, you have to tell them that they are terminating or non-terminating. 3, 1, 2, 5 is here. Again you will factorize it. If it will come in the form of, suppose, check it, 3, 1, 2, 5, factorize it by 5. 5, 6 are 30, 1 will remain 12, 5 2 are 10, 6 2 5, then again with 5, 125, then again with 5, then 25, then again with 5 and 5. So what is coming? 1 2 3 4 5. So 13 upon 5 to the power 5 into 2 is not coming, so it is okay. 2 to the power 0. So yes, it is coming in the form of 5 to the power m or 2 to the power n. So yes, it is terminating decimal expansion. Got it? Here 17 upon 8. 8 means 2 to the power 3. So yes, it is terminating. Okay. 64 upon 455, you will factorize it. In sixth one, see, it is again, it is mentioned here, it is coming into 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. Yes, it is terminating. This one, seventh one, 2 is here, 5 is here, but 7 is also coming. So no, it is not a terminating decimal expansion. I think so you got it. So you will do the exercise 1.4 in your notebooks. Now the chapter 1 is finished now. So we will start chapter 2 from our next class. Okay, bye bye. Stay in your home. Stay safe, stay in your home, be quarantined. All the best.